Hello everyone, welcome to HTML Part 1 tutorial. Before we get started, we will be needing two things. First is a code editor and second is a browser. For a code editor, you can download any of the code editor that you like. To name few, there are brackets, Notepad++, and Visual Studio Code. For a browser, I either recommend Google Chrome or Firefox. Now let's get started. First, create an index.html file and open it in the code editor that you have. Now I have created this HTML code here, so you can copy it in your HTML file and follow along. Let me briefly define each of these tags here. Doc type HTML defines that this is an HTML5 document. HTML tag is a root element that can have head tag and a body tag. A head tag can help you define document title and any meta tags, and body tag can have document content. Let's go over HTML heading. There are 6 levels of headings in HTML. 6 heading elements are H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. H1 is the highest level. Let me show you that. H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. Now as you can see the results here, H1 is the highest level, meaning the font size is bigger than the rest of them, and the font sizes decreases as the heading element increase. Heading can be very important for defining a title or subtitle in the document, or can help you define important topics within the document. So these are the 6 levels of heading in HTML. Next, we're going to take a look at HTML paragraph. A paragraph is defined within a p tag in HTML. Let's take a look at an example. As you can see here, anything in between a p tag is treated as a paragraph in HTML. So this is how you define a paragraph in HTML. Horizontal rule in HTML can help you separate content. Let me show you an example of that. Horizontal rule defined as a HR tag. And as you can see here, there is a horizontal line that separates the content. So this is how you define a horizontal rule in HTML. In HTML, you can have either a word or text bold, italicized, or underlined. Let's take a look at an example for each of these. Bold text defines within a b tag. Italicized text defines within an I tag. Underlined text defines within a U tag. So this is how we define bold, italicized, and underlined text within HTML. Line break in HTML can help you break a single line. Let's take a look at an example of that. A line break defines as a BR tag, and as you can see here, it can help you break a single line. So this is how you define a line break in HTML. Description list. Description list in HTML can help you define description term and a value of that term. Let's take a look at an example of that. Dictionary list defines within DL tags, and inside the DL tags we can have description term and a value of that term. So this is how you define a description list in HTML. In HTML, we can have a strong tag, which is exactly same as bold tag, and an emphasize tag, which is exactly same as Italicize tag. Thank you for watching HTML Part 1 tutorial. Subscribe to the channel for more learning. See you next time.